So our new product line GreeNox contains two different systems, performance and power-wise. The first machine I'd like to introduce to you guys is our so-called GreeNox Micro. If you receive it, it comes in this very nice and sturdy transport box. This is the unit itself, very clean, simple, light. Inverter technology, latest inverter technology. It contains this handpiece, which allows you to install different accessories we offer to you. This hand holder, of course. Different cables for the connection of the device to your handpiece and to carry out the actual work. And this little container where you put your liquid in. The new story about the GreeNox Micro is it's a very efficient dip and drag machine. All right, how to start up your little weld cleaning unit GreeNox Micro. Here you've got your GreeNox Micro, and to start the weld cleaning procedure you need to install first of all your electrodes and accessories to the handpiece. The brush, GreeNox Micro brush, contains also this PTE sleeve, which allows you to adjust the length of the brush stepless. And how this works, I'm going to show you now. The recommended length of these carbon fibers is 10 to 15 mil. And you're working always like that from top on the workpiece. You're not pushing the fibers like that. That will wear out the brushes premature. So this is not recommended to work like that. Next step, you're putting the brush on the adapter. Don't forget this little white piece here. This is another insulator which is taking away or insulating the heat which occurs on the brush and the electrode and keeps it away from the handpiece. Next step, you're installing the brush with the adapter to the handpiece, and you're tightening these little two screws. All done, ready to go. Next step, you're connecting the ground cable to the red outlet, obviously. The black cable is going into the black outlet. So this is quite soldier-proof, I would say. And then next step, you're putting it to your handpiece. And that's it. Before we are coming to the liquid and the how to connect the device to the outlet, this is the next step. How to clean a weld with the GreeNox Micro. After installation and our setup, we connect our ground cable to our workpiece. Before we are going to connect this cable to our torch handpiece, it's very important that these microfibers, these carbon fibers, are very well soaked with the electrolytical fluid. In that case, it's GreeNox T, and this is always the recommended fluid with the GreeNox Micro. Just dip it in and let it soak for a while. You can switch on the machine with the main switch on the backside of the machine, and what you see is there's just this little light coming on. This is all you got to do. The rest is done by the machine itself. So you know there's no need to switch anything or to control anything. The machine is very simple, ready to go. Once the brush is soaked well enough, we are connecting this cable to the handpiece, and we are ready to go. Like that, as you can see, very efficient and very quick cleaning. So now the weld cleaning is finished, and don't forget to clean after cleaning. Take off these residues from the electrolytical solution. You can either take a rag, then please always neutralize and flush off the residues of the liquid. Otherwise you are ending up with white stains on the surface. Now you are done. Additionally to the carbon fiber brush, there are several accessories available. For example, this graphite electrode, which you may know from the Surfox series. Same procedure, you are dipping it, for example, for these weld seams in a straight line. It might be more efficient to use these electrodes, and you just connect it, and very quickly and efficiently you've got cleaned the weld. The marking kit for stainless steel surfaces can be used with the GreeNox Micro too. You just take the accessories, the cable of the little wand of the marking kit, you are plugging it in the extra outlet of the GreeNox Micro, and that didn't change at all. We are taking the marking handpiece, which is nicely dipped into the GreeNox marking fluid, and further on you can print your own stencils with the Marking Pro kit. How this works, this is something I'll show you now.